Right, celebrating water. Just a little bit of rain. It's got to come from somewhere, our water. And kids just love clean water. Yeah, they were hoping we'd leave them some clean water, like we had. They reckon it's criminal to pollute the water table irreversibly with things like fracking fluid. 20 million litres pumped down every well. 40,000 wells. That's 300 billion artesian litres contaminated every year. It's not just the kids who are worrying. Kids, they love clean water. A clean water scientists love. A clean water we all love. Clean water. Australia's a sunburnt country, all right. Real hard on farmers. They rely on that great artesian basin, the world's biggest, in the world's driest continent. Farmers have to earn water rights to every precious drop. But for miners, it's free and unrestricted. What is it with miners and water? It's about to get a lot worse. Who's gonna save that? Clean water. Clean water, defend our clean water. We need clean water. Some farmers are fracked off. Their cattle are contaminated. Their water, health, family, investments are poisoned, and the vast surface pollution contained in plastic ponds is exposed to wildlife and floods. 54 million tonnes of salt waste. Imagine being a duck. Imagine being a frog. Because ducks just love clean water. Frogs love clean water. They need that. Clean water, and farmers need clean water. Some of these mining companies like PetroChina and Shell, they got budgets bigger than the government and way better PR. They're buying officials, scientists, universities, media. It's a little bit hard to trust them. It's not like you can check on them with a phone call. Check the water table with a snorkel and a flashlight. You'd think there'd be laws against it. You'd be wrong. You'd think there'd be laws against damaging our most precious resource, water. Our water's been sold down the mine, and it's up to us to save our clean water. Clean water, yeah. Clean water, just love our clean water. Yeah, we love our clean water. Yeah. Clean water, clean water, just love our clean water. Clean water. Yeah, thanks very much. Ah, you like clean water, huh?